To begin, when you receive your loop of yarn, you want to remove the ball band so that you can get access to the outside of the ball. Once you have removed the ball band, go ahead and just play around on the outside of the ball and you will find the outside edge of the yarn, and this is where we will start. To begin, we need to snip the very first loop just to make sure we have a nice tail. It's really quite simple. Grab the yarn and go ahead and snip the loop open. Once that loop is open, you're ready to start. If you're following along with the pattern, it will tell you how many loops you have in play. We're going to work with 5 loops today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have all the loops straight and none of them are twisted. What I want to do is grab the next loop in line that's attached to my ball of yarn. We're going to call this loop 6. I will bring loop 6 around. It's kind of almost like I'm snaking the yarn. I'm going to bring loop 6 around and I'm going to tuck it through loop number 5. I'm going to grab my next loop that's attached to my project. This is now my project yarn. And the next loop from the ball of yarn and tuck it through, just like so. I will continue this all the way down the row. Once all the loops have been used, you're ready to move to the next row. If you're creating stockinette, there's actually no need to turn your work. We will simply rotate our working yarn, that's the yarn that's attached to the ball of yarn, and we will take the next loop in line and tuck it through that last loop we worked with. Go to the next one and tuck it through, just like so. You don't have to worry about any of these loops falling out or any sort of muss or fuss. There's no needles needed. All you do is use your fingers to tuck these loops through the project loop. So you will work the working yarn that's attached to your ball of yarn through the loops on your project. That's how you work the knit stitch using the brand new Loop It yarn by Red Heart. Everything you need to know about knitting or crochet can be found right here on the Marley Bird YouTube channel. Learn with Marley Bird. Visit youtube.com/Marley Bird.